You're about to see the most classified aircraft ever flown or denied. Here's the list. Number 20, SR-91, Aurora. Alleged hypersonic reconnaissance jet. It is believed to be more than 3 times the speed of sound and was reportedly developed from the SR-71 Blackbird. But the U.S. government has never confirmed the Aurora's existence. Number 19, TR-3B Astra. This one's straight out of a science fiction movie. The TR-3B is rumored to be a UFO-shaped black project with anti-gravity technology. Number 80, RQ-180 Sentinel. Not much is known about this stealth drone, but it is known that the U.S. Air Force uses it for deep surveillance missions. Number 17, Lockheed F-Blue. This was the prototype that led to the development of the world's first operational stealth aircraft, the F-117 Nighthawk. Number 16, Boeing Phantom Ray. This secret stealth USAV was developed under the radar and remains one of the most mysterious aircraft ever built. Number 15, Northrop Tacit Blue. This bizarre whale-shaped aircraft was designed as a stealthy battle management platform for coordinating air-to-air and air-to-ground operations. Number 14, Dark Star, also known as the RQ-3. This stealth drone was canceled in 2006, but it was reportedly ahead of its time and could have been used for various surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Number 13, X-37B, Orbital Test Vehicle. This autonomous spaceplane is launched into orbit and then returns to Earth carrying a mysterious payload. What's inside those payloads is classified, but they're believed to be highly valuable intelligence-gathering assets. Number 12, B-21 Raider. The B-21 is... Air Forces next-gen stealth bomber. It is designed to penetrate even the most advanced defenses and deliver conventional nuclear payloads with rematched precision. Number 11, Mi-41. Very little is known about this rumored Russian project, but it's believed to be a hypersonic interceptor capable of taking down stealth aircraft and missiles. Number 10, SR-72, Son of Blackbird. This Mach 6 hypersonic jet was a concept designed by Lockheed Martin. It's not clear if it will ever be built, but it could be the next SR-71. Bird of Prey. This was a stealth demo craft built by Boeing. It was designed to test new technologies in a classified environment. Very few people know about its existence. Number 8, Dassault d'Europe. This was a stealth drone demonstrator built by the European aerospace company Dassault. It's believed to be one of the most advanced drones in the world. Number 7, Sukhoi Okhotnik B. This is Russia's first operational flying wing stealth drone. It's designed to provide air defense forces with real-time intelligence on enemy aircraft and ground forces. No! 6, RQ-1 70 Sentinel. In 2011, Iran claimed to have captured one of these drones. They called it a spy drone. The U.S. government says it's an unmanned aircraft. No. 5 XQ-58. Valkyrie. This low-cost stealth drone is designed to fly alongside F-35s and provide air support. No! For Boeing G-51W Aberide. This scramjet-powered aircraft is being developed to research hypersonic flight. It's one of NASA's fastest air-breathing aircraft ever. No. 3. Lockheed X-4 for Manta. This tailless, stealth fighter concept was designed to perform a variety of missions, including air superiority, strike, and reconnaissance. No. 2. Project Kaiju. There are rumors that the Next Generation Air Dominance program includes a heavy stealth fighter platform. Some believe it could be the next generation F-22 or F-35. No, X-43 Hyper X. This aircraft is one of NASA's fastest air-breathing aircraft ever. It can reach speeds of up to 15 times the speed of sound. Now you know the most secret military aircraft in the world.